no, it is 5 in the morning.
Wake up! Wake up! We are going to the airport!
Whoa! Okay, we are awake, we are awake.
5 more minutes, please.
Okay, breakfast. I can do this.
Good morning, I think.
I am ready! Let us go right now!
Buddy, that is Lily's breakfast, not yours.
Mom, where's my backpack? I cannot find it. Jake, it is by the front door. I packed it last night.
Everyone eat fast. We leave in 30 minutes. Has anyone seen my passport? Where is my passport?
Jake, come help me close this suitcase, please. Where's my shoe? I only have one shoe. Where is my shoe? Buddy, that is my shoe. Give it back right now. I cannot find Bella. Where is my bunny Bella?
I found it. My passport was inside the refrigerator.
David, why was your passport inside the refrigerator?
I have absolutely no idea. Passports, got 'em.
Oh, thank goodness.
Took you long enough, Dad.
Yay, we're going.
Okay, everyone, bags are in. Let us go. Next stop, the airport. Here we go.
Yay, airport. Bella's excited too. We're on our way. Stop the cars! The guy forgot something!
What is you wrong,
I
Lorraine?
forgot Mr. Penguin. We have to go back. Oh, sweetie, it's okay.
Lily, every single time, every single trip.
Mr. Penguin needs to come too, Jake. Now I am ready. Bella and Mr. Penguin are both here.
You are so funny, Lily. We made it! We are at the airport!
And we are not even late. Amazing.
Whoa! This airport is so big. Look at everything.
I can carry all of these. I only need one trip.
David, just use the trolley, please. Okay, everyone stay together. Hold hands, not get lost.
Sorry, everybody.
Sorry, everyone. He is very excited. First time flying. Okay, check-in time. We are officially on holiday.
I have all of parts this time, David.
Sir, please step aside. Do you have a belt on?
Phones and bags in the trays, everyone. Jackets off, please.
Sir, please step aside. Do you have a belt on? Oh, I forgot my belt. Sorry, my mistake.
David, I told you to check your belt.
Excuse me, young man. What is inside this backpack?
Oh, that is just my robot. His name is Max. Max is my best robot. He has laser eyes and rocket boots. This is Bella and this is Mr. Penguin. They are coming with us.
Of course, Bella and Mr. Penguin are cleared to fly. Security done. Now the fun part begins.
No more forgotten belts next time,
Please.
Next is I am on a sticker.
Gate 5. This is us. We made it with time to spare.
Perfect. Let us sit near the window so the kids can see the planes. Look, Lily. That is our plane. It is so massive. Look, that is the airplane. We are going to fly in that.
I love this moment. The trip has not started and I am already happy.
Everyone is happy and excited together.
That is the engine. Makes the plane go very, very fast. How do the wings not fall off, Jay? They are very strong.
Good morning, passengers. This is the boarding announcement by Driscoll.
Stuffed animals?
Here we go. We are walking to our plane right now.
I love this part. Every single time it feels exciting.
Welcome aboard. Enjoy your flight today.
Whoa, it is like a flying bus, but way more cool.
Window seat is mine! I called it! I get the window seat!
That is okay. Bella and Mr. Penguin can see from the middle seat too. Do not worry, Bella. I will put your seatbelt on. You too, Mr. Penguin. Safety first.
We did it, Sarah. The whole crazy morning and we made it.
I love our family, every single bit of it.
We are flying! We have actually flying!
This is a family. The Justice Universe feature.
Lily, look! We are above the clouds! The clouds look like cotton candy. Bella, can you see them?
You know what is better than any holiday destination? This moment right here with all of you.
I could not agree more, David. This is everything.
The Johnson family adventure has begun. Thank you for watching our story today.
See you. Bye. Have fun tonight.
Keep practicing you in our next adventure. Goodbye.